Hey there, freelancers! Ever wondered how to make some extra cash or even build a full-time income online? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm diving into the top 10 websites to make money online in 2024. Let's get started. First up, we have Upwork. Upwork is a leading freelance marketplace where you can find and bid on projects in almost any field. From writing to web development, there's something for everyone. Successful freelancers can earn thousands of dollars per month by consistently delivering high-quality work. Next is Fiverr. Fiverr allows you to offer services starting at just $5. Popular categories include graphic design, writing, and video editing. The gig economy is booming, and Fiverr is a big part of it. The best part? You set your own prices and grow your business on your terms. Third, we have Amazon Mechanical Turk. MTurk is a crowdsourcing platform where you complete small tasks like surveys and data entry. Although each task pays a small amount, they can add up to a steady income if you stay consistent. Coming in at number 4, YouTube. YouTube is a fantastic platform for content creators to monetize their videos. You can earn through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise. Some YouTubers make six-figure incomes just by sharing their passions. Number 5 is Shutterstock. If you're a photographer, videographer, or musician, Shutterstock is a great place to sell your stock content, upload your work, and earn royalties every time someone downloads it. It's a solid way to generate passive income. Next, we have Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace for handmade and vintage items. If you're crafty, you can create and list your products, reaching a global audience. Many sellers have turned their Etsy shops into successful full-time businesses. At number 7, we have Freelancer. Similar to Upwork, Freelancer is a popular platform for finding freelance projects. It has unique features and a wide range of job categories. Freelancers on this platform share stories of success and financial independence. 8th on our list is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit connects you with people who need help with odd jobs and tasks. From cleaning to handyman services, you can find hourly gigs that pay well. It's a great way to earn extra cash doing what you're good at. Number 9, Teachable. Teachable is a platform for creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in any area, you can design a course and earn passive income. Successful course creators share valuable knowledge and make a significant income. And finally, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a rewards platform where you earn points for completing tasks like surveys, shopping, and watching videos. Redeem your points for gift cards or cash. It's an easy way to make some extra money in your spare time. Now, some tips for success. To maximize your earnings, be consistent, deliver high-quality work, and continuously improve your skills. Building a sustainable online income takes time and effort, but it's definitely achievable. To wrap up, we've covered the top 10 websites for making money online in 2024. Each platform offers unique opportunities, so explore them and find the best fit for you. Good luck on your online earning journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. See you in the next